What's going on, everybody? It's your man David down at Crosstown Dodge in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car store is this 2015 Ram 3500 SLT Heavy Duty, powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine underneath the hood. This is a crew cab configuration truck with the 8-foot box on the back. Come to the front here, you'll have halogen headlamps lighting up the road in front of you with high beams, which are also the running lights and turn signals, of course. You have a honeycomb inside the grille with chrome surrounding it, adding to the unique Ram looks that everybody knows and loves. Front and rear bumpers are chrome. Come to the side here, this Ram 3500 is running on 18-inch Firestone Transforce mud and snow tires with plenty of tread on there. You'll surely have lots of traction. They're on chrome alloy rims, and there's mud flaps behind all 4 tires. Black door handles on the outside on all 4 doors. Nice badging as well. And both driver and passenger side door mirrors have built-in LED turn signal lights, and they are breakaway. They're heated mirrors too, so you heat those up, defrost them, and see what's beside you. These are flip-up tow mirrors, and they are flipped up at the moment. You can easily flip them down if you don't want them up. All you gotta do is flip them back up if you want them up. Open up the driver's side door here. Here is the door panel. 2-tone colored door panels. Storage down below with 2 cup holders. Storage in the middle. Nice place for an arm. Power mirrors, power windows, power locks with window lock. Driver and passenger side windows are automatic. Nice styling. Chrome door handles on the inside on all 4 doors. This has power folding in mirrors. Just hit the button here and the mirrors fold in. Press it again and they fold back out. Handy to have if you're trying to park in a tight parking spot. Automatic headlamps, so you can set it and forget it with the dimmer knob. That button there will turn on the box lights. Directional air vent right here, which you can close and open. Handle right here, so you, the driver, can easily get into the driver's seat. The leather wrapped steering wheel feels great in your hands. It's a tilt steering wheel too. Driver's seat is fully powered with lumbar support. Leather seats throughout. Adjustable headrests on the front seats. And you have adjustable seatbelt height, so depending on how big or tall of a person you are, you can adjust those so you're most comfortable. Nice materials in the middle here for arms to rest on. Grab this chrome handle, lift this up. You have your manual in here, you have a change holder, and there's a USB port, an auxiliary port, and a 12-volt DC power outlet. Lots of space in here for many different things. 3 big cup holders in the middle with bubbles to hold your cups into place. This flips up into the middle seat for that unexpected passenger, allowing for 6 people to be comfortably seated inside this truck. And there's a ledge right here, so you put anything there for easy access. Grab down here, there's a handle, lift this up. There is a storage area down here. Feel free to put whatever you want down here for storage. And this comes down like this. Excellent. Let's go take a look in the back seat area. All right. I love how far these doors open up. Anybody or anything can be easily put into the back seat area. Storage down below, storage in the middle, nice place for an arm, power window switch, nice Ram badge, great style. Handle right here so your passengers can easily get inside this truck. Tons of foot room, plenty of headroom. Hooks up above so you can hang up nice clothing. So if you're going to a nice event, your clothing doesn't get all wrinkled. The interior lamp is up there. It is switched off at the moment, but this is also a reading lamp, so just push it with your hand. It'll come on, push it again, it'll shut off. Adjustable headrest in the back seats too. Fold down armrest here with 2 big cup holders. 2 more cup holders down below. Directional air vents right here, which you can easily adjust. Pocket on the back of the passenger seat and the driver's seat. There are insulated removable in-floor storage areas. You get ice in here, keep cans of Coke, bottles of water cold, and if it gets dirty, you can remove it and clean it. And you can put whatever you want in there. And when there's mats laid out back here, they stay nice and hidden under the mats. The seats do flip up for you like this, and there's a fold-out gate here. You put things underneath or on top for storage. Flip them back if you're not using it, and underneath there's even more storage. And there's a clip right here so you can clip it and secure it and push it back down. Excellent. Come back here. This is where you put gasoline inside this truck. This truck has an absolutely massive box. You can fit many things in the back of this truck. This is definitely a heavy duty truck. Chrome bumper on the back is looking absolutely amazing. And down here you have a spot for your trailer hitch with connections, so you can hook up a trailer or power up any aftermarket devices using this Ram 3500. Ram badge, 4x4 badge, SLT badge looking good. Open up the tailgate here. This Ram 3500 has spray-in bedliner, and there's hooks in all four corners, so you tie down your load so you don't lose it when you're driving down the highway. And the box lights are just up there. This is a locked tailgate. Press the lock button on the key fob. All four doors will lock, including the tailgate. Come to the other side here. Man, this Ram 3500 is a beast. I'll show you the other side of the back seats. Storage down below, storage in the middle, power window switch, nice place for an arm. Great style, nice Ram badge. Handle on this side as well. Insulated, removable, in-floor storage area. This side also flips up for you, like so. And there's a fold-out gate here. And you put things underneath or on top for storage. And there's two cutouts for the cup holders in the middle, which is a clever touch. Lift this up, more storage underneath. And there's a clip here, so you can secure it. And this easily comes back down. Front passenger side, storage down below with two cup holders, storage in the middle, power locks, power window switch, looking good, nice Ram badge. Spot for some pens or packs of gum right here. Directional air vent, which you can close and open. Lower glove box here for many different things. Upper glove box with a convenience light. Space for more storage. Passenger seat is manual adjustment. Underneath the passenger seat are the tire changing tools, which allows for easy access. For safety, of course, you have a driver and passenger side airbag. There's airbags built into the front seats. There's side curtain airbags and more. Lots of safety built into this Ram 3500. Top and side, and take a closer look right now. All right, now I'm sitting inside the 2015 Ram 3500 SLT Heavy Duty, and here is the key fob. You have an unlock button, a lock button, and a panic button. This also has remote start. Press this button twice, the doors will lock, and they'll start right up. Boom, just like that. Then, all you gotta do is hit the unlock button, hop inside the truck here, go over to the side, push this into the ignition. There you go. Turn it to on, and that'll get you past the remote start system. Large LCD screen in the middle. Looks absolutely good. Gives you tons of information, and this truck only has 24,499 kilometers on it. Not too shabby. So come on down to Crosstown and see if this is going to be yours. And using buttons on the left side of the steering wheel here, we can go through the information center, and the first thing you'll see is that there is a digital speedometer, which you can change to miles per hour if you're going to the States. Vehicle info area gives you a full-on gauge summary, gives you engine hours, tire pressures, transmission temperature, oil temperature, oil life, and back to the full-on gauge summary. You have your fuel economy, lets you know your fuel range, your current liters per 100 kilometers, and your average liters per 100 kilometers. You can easily reset that just by holding the reset button right there. You have a trip A calculator and a trip B calculator. Both of them tell you how far you're driven, your average fuel economy, and your average vehicle speed, and the time you've been driving for, and easily reset that just by holding the button right there. There you go. You have your trailer tow area, lets you know what the gain's set at. Audio center lets you know what's playing on your media. Message center in case this truck wants to tell you something. Screen setup here so you can customize the screen, make it more of your own. And back to the digital speedometer. If you open up any door on this truck, I'll let you know which door on the truck is open. Nice big Ram badge here in the middle with, of course, a horn. And it's a very loud horn. Cruise control on the right. You have voice recognition. Cancel. Using voice recognition, you can tune into a specific radio station just by using your voice, and that button there will assist you in answering calls that come through Bluetooth. Automatic transmission with your gear selection buttons right there. A little spot for some change right there. A nice Ram badge. Directional air vents in the middle here, which you can close and open. Close and open. Another great spot for some pens or packs of gum. 115 volt AC power outlet. USB port right there, fantastic for charging devices. 12 volt DC power outlet. A drawer here, feel free to put whatever you want in there for storage. Trailer brake controller, traction control, tow/haul mode, heated seats up front. It also has a heated steering wheel, climate controls, adjust your fan speed, adjust your temperature, and adjust where you want the air to go. This button here will turn on the heated mirrors. You have max AC, an air conditioning button, and a recirculate button there. 4-wheel drive, turn that knob, that will engage the 4-wheel drive for you. And there's tons of visibility out the front window. In front of me is Crosstown Dodge, looking nice. Fold down sun visor here with a convenience mirror with convenience lights, so you see what you look like. It is breakaway, it does slide. Passenger sun visor also comes down and has a convenience mirror with convenience lights, and it is breakaway and it does slide. Push button reading lamps up here. Switch for the rear sliding window. Easily close that back up. Programmable garage door opener right there. Pair that with your garage at home and you can remotely open it up. And here's the touchscreen Uconnect system. This has AM, FM radio and SiriusXM. If I turn up the volume, great sound quality through the speakers. Definitely rock out, have a good time while you're driving this truck. Turn it back down like this. You turn the screen off if you don't want to look at it. Touch it with your finger, it comes back on. Press the media button here, so if you have something in the USB port, the auxiliary port, or a Bluetooth device connected, press the media button and you can listen to all your favorite tunes. Bluetooth area, what I like to pair phone, that's okay. I'll let you connect the phone and make hands-free calls. View recent calls. Everything you do on your phone, make a call, you do hands-free on this touchscreen Uconnect system right here, and you can pair more than one device. And you have a compass here. In case you're wondering which way you're pointing, just hit the compass and you'll know. Settings here for the touchscreen Uconnect system and the Ram 3500, so you can customize this truck and make it the way that you want it to. And there's a more button here. You got a large clock, a mirror dimmer, outside temperature, tuning knob, browse button, back button will help you guide through your system. And it's a great system to use. Definitely come and check out this Ram 3500 Heavy Duty sometime soon. It's got tons of storage areas. It's got the 8-foot box in the back. Again, it's the 2015 Ram 3500 SLT Heavy Duty in bright white, powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine underneath the hood. It's a crew cab configuration truck with the 8-foot box in the back. You gotta haul some trailers, haul some hay, anything big. This is the truck that you need for the job. So come and see it at Crosstown today. I'm man David, and I'll talk to you later. Yeah.